Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I've not been filming them much on the 2A. I don't want to be doing them. Just put you down there. Doing sorts of videos where I'm just going over the same thing again, so I'm just repeating the same videos. So I thought I'll come do an update and I'll bring you in as I'm just about to fit the £4,000 Turner Engineering engine. 4,000 of your finest British pounds there. Original engine, remanufactured, not rebuilt, remanufactured. So it's all back to within original spec, apparently. Apart from the cam, I think they put an uprated cam in it. But as far as I'm aware, when they say uprated cam, all they do is put a diesel one in. Please correct me, message and correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll spin the camera around in a second. And give you a walk around and let you know where I'm up to. Right, there's not a lot to say really. I'm still waiting on the axle had the stiffening sort of giant gusset thing, not giant, but large stiffening brace. That's the word, brace. Obsessed with gussets. And it was cut off because it was rotten. So a new one was ordered. That's lost in the post somewhere. There's a bit of an argument going on with that, but. Yeah, as soon as that comes, the axle can be on, the whole thing can be rolling. What else? Front axle's built. I've got the gaiters to put on there and the freewheeling hubs to go on. But apart from that, it's built. Tank's in, and that's about it really. I was hoping that this would have been rolling, engine, gearbox in and everything by now. I've just ordered this morning a new flywheel for that. Because, I'll show you on here, this is the flywheel that came out of it, and although it looks really bad, it's not that bad. See if I can, there's not actually much of a groove there, but see if you can see around. Let me get a torch. Right, see if I can, oh, you can see it there in the light. See, the cracks, there's lots of little fractures, little cracks. You can't see them, but if they get worse, you can't pick them up very well on the camera, but they're all around it. If they get worse, they could start wearing through clutches in no time. So it seems daft really. We've got remanufactured engine, rebuilt gearbox, everything else is completely rebuilt. If it couldn't be rebuilt back to original specs, it's been replaced. So it seems a bit daft putting that on. So it's a shame really. You can see the obviously as it gets heats up, you know, they could expand or shrink or whichever way, you know what I mean, and yeah, you start burning through clutches like there's no tomorrow. So bite the bullet, put one in. This is the Turner Engineering engine that'll be going in. So well, let's I'm not waffling anymore, let's get it in. Right, this is where we open brake, cross the fingers, cross fingers and toes, hope nothing breaks on us. Look, this train goes flying. I'm debating now whether it's going to go high enough or not. There. Right. You got a block of wood under it. I'm going to shorten that. Right, I've shortened that now, there, considerably. It might just go on with there. Just. I think that's cleared it. Right, move them out of the way. Right, and what I like to do is get a pair of mole grips on there. Rather than using the pole on the mechanism there, get a pair of mole grips on it. Loads easier. Right. Oops, I say easier and then I go and do that. Right, get a washer. Something by hand. Get the bar in there now. And you need to do the dozen manoeuvre of holding it in position whilst lowering it down without chopping your fingers. There you go. She's in. There we go. So I'll lift that back in a little bit. Possibly. Put a bit of something under there to stop it from sitting on the chassis. There you go, bit of rag. That'll do it. Job's a carrot. Job's an absolute carrot. Right, and there we are. So you have to try and manoeuvre that mount into there without putting your fingers underneath it. So I can tighten them down now, and that's them in. I can get everything else bolted up to it now. Lovely stuff. Right, so there we are, quick update for today. I'll get some more, sorry I'm sat on my chair, it's really creaky. I'll get some more bits done. I'll just keep these videos short, you know what I mean? Get some more bits done, some more bits bolted up to it, do another video. Try and keep you guys up to date. And meanwhile, if anybody has any, I've got this. This is a genuine Land Rover, apparently, oil filter housing. I believe it said it's off 2.5 petrol. But the kit, it came with that. Now if anybody can shed any light on where that's supposed to go, please let me know. If anybody's ever fitted one of these before, I've never fitted one, so yeah, I assume it'd go in there. Let's take that off and put it in there, but what its purpose is, I don't know, and why they wouldn't fit it before sending it out, because obviously all the filters on and everything. It's yeah. If anybody can shed any light on that, please let me know. If anybody's ever fitted one of these before. But yeah, I'm now going to go through all my parts that I've got over here. And I think there is one piece missing. I don't seem to have seen it anywhere, which is the, mind you, I don't know if these have it. These don't have it, do they? It's petrol. What div? Now what I was thinking was the pointer that goes to the I've been working too much on diesels, I think, that goes to the normally to the distribution pump. But no, don't worry about me. Right, so what, yeah, I'll crack on. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll get back on with doing the videos as soon as I can. Just rest that there. I know I haven't put a gasket on it yet. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.